Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming basics, charge and network, then sign into your Google account. Once done, open the Play Store and update the Google app so voice features are current. Next, go to Settings, right arrow Apps, right arrow Google, and grant microphone and location permissions. This lets Assistant hear you and provide contextual answers. Make sure you're using the primary Google account you want Assistant tied to, and keep the phone unlocked while you proceed to voice enrollment. You'll now enable the hot word. Open the Google app, tap More, then Settings, and choose Voice. Next, select Voice Match and follow prompts to enable. Say, "Hey Google." When asked, speak the offered phrases naturally. This trains Assistant to your voice and reduces false triggers. Make sure to complete all sample recordings, pause between prompts if needed. Once enrollment finishes, toggle on Access with Voice Match so Assistant recognizes you when the screen is locked or the phone is nearby. You finish by testing, say, "Hey Google," and ask something simple like set a 1-minute timer. If Assistant fails, reopen Voice Match and retrain your voice samples. Sometimes a second enrollment fixes recognition. Also clear the Google app cache in Settings, right arrow Apps if responses lag. Make sure the app language matches your spoken language, microphone hardware is unobstructed, and Samsung's default Assistant setting points to Google Assistant rather than Bixby. Adjust in Settings, right arrow Apps, right arrow Default Apps.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.